Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how we can freeze the top row in Excel. So let's say you have a large data set like this. So when you'll go below, you won't be able to see the top row. And sometimes it's really difficult, especially for data sets like these, which are quite huge. Okay, so obviously you want to see the top row here, the header here. So for that guys, what you can do, just press Alt W F R. That's it. Now our top row is intact. Okay, we can easily walk around and understand the data set. So guys, we saw how we can fix the top row in Excel. For a free Excel tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.